Frag out!
Hello YouTubers, in this video we are going to see the unboxing and review of Philips HB8100 hair dryer. Seeing across the box, it's given some details about it. 1000 watts hair dryer, accurate control, 2 flexible speed and temperature settings, easy storage, compact design. These are the features of this hair dryer, and the same thing is given in different language. I think some Espanol, French or Dutch, I don't know. In the back of the box, the same three things, the three features are given in 3 different languages. In the top of the box, now we are going to open the box and see what are its contents. Yes, the box contains nothing because I unboxed it 6 months ago, and I have been using this for last 6 months in order to give a proper review about this hair dryer. Opening up the box will look like this. It gives you a pamphlet which contains a 2D design and all its information regarding the hair dryer, and then the hair dryer itself. The hair dryer is sturdy. It also has a super good finish, well built. The fins are also too good, and it also has 2 speed settings, 1 and 2. Here it's also stickered that it is inspected by some quality engineers, and it also has a hook with which we can hang it in wall. It also consists of 2-pin charging port with which we can power this hair dryer in order to use it. Also, this hair dryer has a long wire with which we can use from a very long distance. It also comes with a narrow concentrator. This concentrator is used to force the hair in one particular direction in one area of your hair. If you want to dry it and if you want to style it, you can dry it and you can apply wax or some styling gel, and you can do it with this concentrator attachment. It will be really helpful and useful though. Look at the build quality, it's so sturdy, man. It will withstand 3 to 4 drops, I think. Such a good material, plastic, and it also grips well in your hands. If you like this video, please like it and do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.